I'm Katie Hunter, and supposedly it's cold outside. Well, I saw a bunch of people on Reddit do this today, so here goes the game. This is boiling water. Oh my god! Ian, did you get that?
Yes.
Back up. This is so cool. Ian, did you want to do it?
Yeah. Sweet. Oh, you left me some. You're the sweetest girlfriend in the world.
Okay, go. You see what's happening? I think I got some on my coat. Nope, that's just the cold. This is. Don't lose it. Oh shit!
It's insane. You can literally feel it freezing on the way down.
It's nuts. That's actually crazy. There you have it. Actually crazy. Bullshit cold here in Chicago. That's all we have to tell you about that. Turn it off.